Alright, today we've got something a little bit different. This is for a Surron Ultra B, and he actually I bought it. He paid my invoice, and then I ordered this from Europe. And basically this is just the European version of the switch that makes this street legal, so it has the turn signals on it and everything else is the same as what he's got now. The one that he has just has this blocked off. So I got the correct switch, and I was able to wire up my tail light to this switch, so the blinkers and everything work normally. And basically all I did was I cut open some of these wires and spliced into it, put my own connector on it, and then there's also a banjo bolt connector up here too, so he'll be able to have the brake work with this. And this is just mimicking the bike being turned on. I just pinned into it with my battery so that I could tell what I'm doing here. But that's pretty much how this is going to work. He's already got headlights, already got a horn for it, and all he's going to have to do is put on this switch, bolt on my blinkers, bolt on that, and there's an extension piece. This is just, to test it. But there's like a 5-foot long extension wire for this, and that's how I'm going to also get the rear brake to work using the banjo bolt for the back as well. So that's pretty much how it's going to work. I am going to double check with the customer before I ship this out and make sure that his rear brake isn't also on the bars. If it is, I'm going to have to adjust that on his order just to make sure that everything is good to go. But yeah, pretty exciting stuff. So this came together nicely, and what's great about it is, since these draw such little power anyway, you do not need like a whole separate power ignition system. Like I was thinking I was gonna have to tap into the phone charger or some crap, but this was super easy. It's gonna be clean and simple for the customer, so I'm excited to see what he says about it. But this should wrap this up. I have the rest of his order in here. He ordered some bar end mirrors and a license plate mount and a couple other things, which is what's nice about my light, is it's got the plate mount built into it, and it just goes in there super nice and easy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this.